Ah, sick! Shiny dashcam! That's a motherfucking shiny dashcam, boy! Where can I stick this fucker? Okay. You bastard. Right, that sounds perfect. How the fuck is this for? Ah, sick! Oh, look at my shiny dashcam! Awesome! Ha 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 ha! No, that's cool, isn't it? Like an SD card. Alright, and then you just transfer the SD card into whatever. I don't know. Where did you get this from then? Yeah, man. Tranny dash down. On-board footage of the tranny. Now what the fuck is this? How the fuck do you record? Oh, first of all, for what then? That's the wrong date, you dumb twat! Okay. Oh shit. Man, that's sick! Yeah, I'm stuck. There we go. Hey, good, isn't it? Ah, photo mode! No, it's a 2013 one. That don't matter. Quite good control quality, isn't it? It ain't off. That'd be neat. Saves us having to buy one. Ain't it? I don't know what the fuck that does.